Hi all, welcome to my channel Java Soul. Today we will see another important interview questions like how to sort a list of employee by salary using lambda expression. If you're new on my channels, I have already created multiple videos related to programming questions which be used to face while giving an interview. Let's start. So already I have created two classes, employee and department. Okay, in employee class, as you can see here, I'm taking few of the properties, employee ID, name, salary, and department ID. Okay, and department, we are having the department ID and department name. So in this video we will only display the sorted employee in ascending and descending order both. So let's create a one class, sort employee by salary. We need to create a one list of employee, employees, and arrays dot edge list. Here we will pass an object of employee. As you can see in employee class, I have created the constructor with the fields employee ID, name, salary, and department ID. So we need to pass the values in the same order. First, the employee ID, the name, salary, and department ID. Employee ID, we are taking the one. Okay, then we'll pass name, Ritika, and then we'll pass the salary, 40,000. Okay, then we'll pass the department ID. Let's copy this. Okay, let's take one more name is Karthik. Okay, and salary is 60,000 and department ID is 3. Okay, let's add two more employee. Mamta, having salary is 80,000. Okay, and department ID is 4. And here I'm taking Abhay. uh, And the salary of Abhay is 30,000. If we need to write a program based on some, on the conditional, like to group um, the employee based on the department ID and then show the department name, and then we need data for department as well. That's why I'm not taking here the list of department. I'm taking only the list of employee. So first task, we need to call a stream function, okay, to get a stream from the list. So now we will call a sorted function. Okay, so here first we will sort in descending order by salary. Sort in descending order by salary. Okay, so I'm taking here E1 and E2. E1 dot get salary. Sorry, we need to do sorting in a descending order. So we'll call E2 dot get salary first minus E1 dot get salary. Okay, then we'll call collect function collectors dot to list. we'll assign it to a list, emp list. Now we'll call the for each function. Okay, and yeah, we'll print this system dot out dot println. Sorted employee. Let's run this program. So we'll see the output. First one, as you can see here, Mamta is coming and she is having the salary of 80,000. And here also you can see the order should be like first should come employee with salary 80,000, then 60,000, then 40, and then 30. So it's coming in the same order 80, 60, and 40 and 30,000. So employee ID we can change it. Okay, let's run it again. It will not impact anything. Okay, it's coming in the same order. So this is in a descending order. Now we will see how to sort it in a ascending order, which is natural order. Okay, sort in a ascending order. Uh, employees dot stream again needs to call the stream function. Then we'll call the sorted function. Here we will call comparator. As you can see, this accepts. mm, Comparator. Oh God. Comparator dot comparing function. Here we will pass salary. Get salary. Okay. Then we call the collect function. Collectors dot to list. Sorted employee in ascending order. Okay, let me just comment this and then we'll execute this. Now you can see the output is coming like 30,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. Okay, that's it for this video. And in next video, we'll create some other program which used to ask in interview. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the videos whenever I will upload. Thanks for watching.